Hello everyone. I hope you're as excited as I am to start this new chapter, that is give and take. This is the third chapter we are starting, so let's begin. Our little ant friend here wants to paint its house, but since the house is very big, it is confused from where to start. So our first suggestion would be jump from 2 to 12. That is how many steps? One step, right? We just need one step to go from 2 to 12. So our answer over here will be one step. Okay. Now we have some more suggestions. So now we will add 10 to 14 and we will get 24. From the house diagram, we can see that this is also one step only, but here the question is different. Here the question is, if we add 10 to 14, what value of the house plate will we get? Okay, it is not asking for the steps. All right. Okay, so let us help the ant, which is our friend, in another way. So now the ant wants to go from 22 to 41. So it has two methods. Okay. The first method is the ant goes from 22 to 42 and then subtracts 1 and she reaches here. Okay. So how many steps will that be? So 1, 2 and 3. So 22 to 42, we know that 22 to 32 is 10, 32 to 42 is 10. So we will add, we will have 20, right? Then again, we will go from 42 to 41. Then we will have one step extra. So total we have 21 steps. Okay? So 21 steps in total. Clear? Now the second method is if she goes from 22 to 21 and then straight away to 41. Here also we will get 21 steps because 21 to 41 is 20 and 22 to 21 is 1. So 21 steps in total. Alright, we can do either this or this to reach from 22 to 41. Okay, so Kittu is our ant friend. She has a name. So let us try these questions for her and make her life simpler, right? So 10 less than 34, which means 34 minus 10, we will get 24, right? 53 minus 20. 53 minus 10 is what? 43. 43 minus 10 is what? 33. So 53 minus 20 is 33. Clear? This is the shortcut. Rather than doing this method, we can simply do this, right? 11 more than 31. So the shortcut is we will not do we will avoid doing this method as much as possible. Okay. So our next thing would be 11 more than 31. So what is 10 more than 31? 41, right? We need to do 11. We need to add one more. So we will have 42. Clear, shorter, simpler, right? Okay. Again, a similar one. 11 less than 66. What is 10 less than 66? 56, right? 66 minus 10 is 56. We know this much mental maths. We will subtract one more because we need to subtract 11. So we will have 55. Clear? Okay. 62 plus 13. Okay, there is a shortcut for this as well. Rather than doing this, we know that we are gonna avoid this. So what do we have? So we will try as much as possible that we will add or subtract in terms of 10 and then add or subtract the numbers left. So for example, we need to add 13, right? So add 10 first, 62 plus 10. Let us do this. We have 72. How many more numbers do we need to add? 3 to make 13, right? We need to add 3 more. So add 3 to 72, we will have 75. So our answer is 75. So 62 plus 13, we have 75. Simple, instead of doing the whole this thing, right? Okay, 23 less than 89. All right, we can do this with the same method. Let us see how. So first of all, we will subtract 20 here, right? We will try to add and subtract in terms of tens. Tens, 20, 30s. That will make our lives easier, our tasks easier. Okay? So 23 less than 89. So let us subtract 20 first. So 89 minus 20, what do we have? 89 minus 10 is 79. 79 minus 10 is 69, right? 79, 69. So we have 69 over here. Alright. We need to subtract 3 more. So subtract 3 from 69. We have 66. So 66 is the answer. Simple. 10 and 40 more is, this is very simple. Add 10 to 40. We have 50. We did this basic addition in the previous classes, right? Okay, let's move on. Okay, continuing the same. Here we have 9 added to 28. So first what do we do? Add 10 to 28. We will have 38, but we had to add only 9. Okay, so subtract 1 from 38. We have 37 as our answer. Okay, now sum of 9 and 44. Same thing. 44 plus 10. We have 54. Less 1 because we need to subtract only 9. So we have 53 as our answer. Okay. Reducing 98 by 34. We will reduce 98 by 30 first. Okay. So we have 88, 78, 68. Right. So we have 68. Now we're gonna subtract 4 more, sorry, 4 more, right? So subtract 4 from 68, we have 64 as our final answer, right? Easy. Okay, 4 and 37 more is simple. Add 3 first because we know this, that when we add 3 to 37 we have 40. Now add 1 more because we had to add 4. So we will have 41 as our answer, right? Okay. Take 35 away from 83. We will do exactly the same as we did here. So take 30 away from 83 first. Okay. So minus 30. We have 73, 63, 53. Right? Okay. Now take 5 more away from 53. Right? So minus 5, we have 48 as our final answer. Now our aunt friend has one more problem for us. Alright, so her mother said that if you find the rooms in your house, the right rooms, so they will have some food items for you. Not all the rooms, but some selected rooms will have food items for you. Okay, so now Ant is very, excited, right? So let us help her out. Okay, we're gonna help her out by doing these tasks, right? And these food items are our reward. All right. Now, for example, we are given 47. We have to split, right? 37 plus 10 gives us 47. Here, 37 plus 9, we're going to do the exact same thing. 37 plus 10 is 47, minus 1 is 46. Okay. Here, 63 minus 30. 63 minus 10, 55. Minus 10, 45. Minus 10, 35. Clear? 46 plus 21. Add 20 to 46 first. We have 56, 66, right? Add 1 more to it. We have 67 as our answer. Now you're able to see how fast the addition gets, right? Instead of doing the whole proper method of this, we simply have this, right? Okay, 87 minus 30. 87 minus 10 is 77 minus 10, 67 minus 10, 57. So we have 57 as our answer. 66 minus what is 11? Okay, so now we will study this. 66 minus x. Let us take that missing figure as x. We have this equation, right? We will get 11 to this here, and we will take x to here. So whenever the number changes the side, the equal to sign is the border. Okay. Whenever a digit changes its side, the sign of the digit changes. Here we can see 11 is positive, x is negative. Now we will see as 11 comes here, it will get negative, and x will go there, it will get positive. Here we will have our answer, which is 55. 66 minus 10 is 56, minus 1 more, that is 55. Clear? Alright. Here do the same. So I'm just gonna tell you the answer. Try and do this trick, this one, on your own and check with me. Alright. So now these are the answers. Okay, we will apply this rule only, and there is no compulsion that we have to add using the shortcut method only. If you're facing any kind of difficulty in the shortcut method, then use the normal traditional method. That is completely fine. But try as much as possible that you use the shortcut method. Okay. Now we will see how we can make adding more simple. Alright. So now this boy, let us name him Ram, goes to this woman to buy fruits and vegetables. So she says 37 is 30 and 7, 21 is 20 and 1, and 37 and 21 make 58. So he says that okay fine, 37 is 30 and 7 is okay, 21 is 20 and 1 is okay, but how did she do this so fast, right? Let us see how she did it. So now for example, we have 26 plus 43, right? We're gonna avoid doing this over here and learn something new. So we will expand 26 as 20 plus 6 and expand 43 as 40 plus 3. We will take 40 over here and bring 6 over here. Now 20 plus 40 is easy for us and we get 60. 6 plus 3 is easy for us and we get 9. 60 plus 9 is easy for us and we get 69. Okay, try this with other digits as well. We will do method 2 in the next class because the chapter is long again. So let's meet with the second part of the third chapter. Keep revising, keep practicing. Bye bye.